softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
So as Amritaji has promised, today it's bird special day. Today Pathshala Artline will show you how to draw bird in a very simple way by using a basic steps. There are two types of birds position we are going to show today. One is the sitting position, another is the flying position. These are normal two positions that a birds can be settled down. One is sitting or standing on a branch, another is flying. Now the flying position also has two types of. There is one is flapping position, another one is gliding position. We will cover everything today within this video. So let's get started for a very flying full joyful ride, coloring and everything. I hope you will enjoy today's video. So let's get started without wasting any time. But before that, as Amritaji always say, to like, do share, do comment and to love or subscribers, support us. Okay, so let's get started. There is three sections of a bird body: a head, a body and a tail portion. Now basically the basic portion of all birds looks same. Just follow my instruction. A line here, give a gap and make body like it and a head. This is the basic shape of a bird. Now different birds have different type of shape of beak, so I am making this one is like that, and if you want you can make a little bit body portion along with the leg and this one also and the tail. Feather and eyes. When you color, it will be a beautiful bird. So this is the basic shape of a bird. Okay. Now based on this basic shape, we can make different bird along with different type of tail and beak style. Now see, pretty much the same basic steps using I have drawn this bird. The only thing will change here the shape of beak. Same bird with a different shape. It's a pigeon. Now again I erase the beak, and now this time the beak will look like this. So it became a parrot. And with the same beak, if I give something like this, and this, it will become a cockatoo or kakatua. have done all the sitting position bird drawing. Now some flying position bird. Now when bird is flying, there are two type of flying. One is flapping and another one is gliding. So we will learn how to draw a flying with a flapping position and a gliding position. So let's start. My most favorite high fly eagle gliding. Now what I did here, it's a very nominal example of pencil sketching, which is nothing. I'm just using only one pencil, which is 6B, but for pencil shading you need lots of shades of pencil. So why I did it pencil shading here, because in the next video we are going to launch a new stream which is called the Pencil Pandemonium. So Pencil Pandemonium will teach you the pencil sketch, which is very effective and very much a very essential things to learn for the artist who wants to learn how to draw all types of. So pencil sketching is very important. So that is why I will not color this one, because this is the pencil shading. My high fly eagle has been ready here, and it looks beautiful. If you want, you can make some clouds here, like your eagle is flying on the high fly. There is some cloud like a scribble. You can scribble with your pencil. Or the wind is too much, it's flying very speedy way, so it zoom. The see, the feather is cutting the air, so it's a zoom effect, it is called. So it's complete. Our high fly eagle is complete. Now I can give you a tips. If you don't want to smudge with your finger when it's a black color, so you can take a piece of any paper and just merge it over the color. You can do it with any and every color, but I will specially prefer to do it with black, because I don't want to dirty my hand with black color, because black is a very dangerous color. And if you want to do later, you want to smudge with your finger, then black will definitely disturb those smudging technique, because the black will mix with all those color and it will look bad or to discolor. So always use paper to smudge your black color. Whenever you try something fully white, so it's very difficult to make everything white, and it's very difficult to leave the whole thing wholesome white. It will not create any shade. So to make a shade, that milky white effect, I'll prefer to give some yellowish shade, and the light and shade portion where is the deep, you need to add the deep, use the ash color, or you can say the gray color, which have a very beautiful look. And sometimes the white shade will came with a mix of a ash color. So I am mixing here the ash color and the yellowish one, which will give that milky white texture. This parrot has been colored by Amrik. Now he is signing his name. First him signing his name, and then I will show you the entire picture. So how you like today's video, please let me know. And one more thing, that black bird, I actually really don't know what is the name of that black bird, but I have seen numerous times that bird into my garden. It's beautiful. They can make sound beautiful like cuckoo bird, not actually cuckoo bird, but they have their own unique tone of sound, and they sing. It's a singing bird, and it looks very beautiful. Black totally, yellow beak, and there are two here from its head. It will definitely, it's a humble request from me, please let me know the name in my comment box if you know the name of that black bird. Color pictures is up to today's video. From the next video we are going to learn how to do pencil sketching. So I hope you all will enjoy that also. So bye bye for today. Hope you liked this video, and see you very soon with the next video.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock